Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick review on my whole pickleball set. So the first thing I want to point out is this cool carrying case that it comes with. I'll show everything that it contains. You've got your strap back here and an extra little pouch right up here. This up. I do like to keep mine still in the bubble wrap. I just like the way it keeps them, but this is how it comes, so you don't have to worry about them getting damaged. Put that right there. So I want to show this cool design on both of these. So this is made from high-end fiberglass. It also has a protective casing right around all of these sides, and also right here it's got like a rubber grip. So even, and it has a hole in it, so it's very, very lightweight. I know it's like, I think it's about 10 ounces total. So again, very, very good quality on here. All right, and then inside of the set, it also comes with these 4 balls right here. Good material, and they come in these 2 different colors. This whole set would be great for somebody who's just getting started in pickleball or already an expert. As you can see, real quality, good bounce on these. I'm by no means an expert in pickleball, but I will be with this set right here. Like I said, it's great for families, gifts, anyone that's trying to get into sport. Highly recommend. 10 out of 10.